Lithium-ion batteries built the modern electric world by powering smartphones, electric vehicles, and massive renewable energy installations across the planet. For 3 decades, lithium has been the undisputed king of energy storage because it delivered high energy density in a compact form. But behind this dominance lie persistent weaknesses that engineers have never fully solved, including fire risk, long-term degradation, and dependence on limited raw materials. Now a Chinese research team has introduced a radically different approach in the form of a water-based battery designed to challenge lithium not only on safety but also on performance. Unlike conventional lithium-ion cells that rely on flammable organic electrolytes, this new system uses a neutral aqueous electrolyte that significantly reduces the risk of combustion and thermal runaway. By removing volatile chemistry from the equation, the battery becomes inherently safer and more chemically stable over time. Safety alone, however, does not transform the industry because energy density determines whether a battery can compete in real-world applications. Commercial lithium-ion batteries today typically operate in the range of 200 to 300 watt-hours per kilogram at the cell level, with high nickel chemistries pushing the upper boundary, while lithium iron phosphate offers lower density with improved durability. Historically, aqueous batteries lagged far behind because water decomposes at lower voltages, limiting the electrochemical window and restricting how much energy could be stored. Most earlier water-based systems struggled to exceed 100 watt-hours per kilogram, which kept them out of serious competition. The new breakthrough claims to push beyond that historical ceiling. Researchers report a material-level capacity of approximately 112 milliamp-hours per gram, and prototype pouch cells have reportedly surpassed 250 watt-hours per kilogram. If these figures remain consistent during industrial scaling, the technology would not merely be safer than lithium-ion, but directly competitive with it in terms of energy density. The most dramatic shift, however, appears in cycle life. Conventional lithium-ion batteries typically endure between 1,000 and 3,000 full charge cycles before noticeable capacity degradation occurs. Even advanced chemistries inevitably lose performance over time. In contrast, this aqueous system is reported to maintain stability beyond 120,000 cycles. At one full cycle per day, that theoretical lifespan extends far beyond typical infrastructure planning horizons, suggesting decades of reliable operation even under demanding conditions. For grid-scale energy storage, such longevity could fundamentally alter economic models. Energy density determines how far a vehicle travels, but cycle life determines how long an energy system survives. Pairing renewable energy plants with ultra-long life storage could dramatically reduce replacement costs, improve safety standards, and lower life cycle emissions. It is important to recognize that laboratory performance does not automatically translate into large-scale manufacturing success. Scaling introduces engineering compromises, packaging losses, and cost constraints. Lithium-ion technology benefits from decades of optimization and an established global supply chain. This new aqueous battery must still prove its scalability and cost competitiveness. Nevertheless, this development signals the beginning of diversification in energy storage. Lithium may continue to dominate mobility applications, while ultra-durable aqueous systems could reshape stationary storage markets. The energy transition will not rely on one chemistry alone, but on technologies that balance safety, density, longevity, and sustainability. China's water battery demonstrates that lithium is no longer unchallenged, and the race for the next generation of energy storage has clearly intensified. If you want serious breakdowns of emerging technologies backed by real numbers and clear analysis rather than hype, then this channel is built for you. Like this video, subscribe now, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next deep dive. The future of energy is being rewritten in real time, and staying informed is no longer optional, it is essential.